Hey, what's going on, guys? So this is a new team training on social media on Instagram. This is my Instagram. This is a live account. This is what I use every day, so I can scroll through and show you guys kind of my content, what I have on my page, and how I have everything laid out. And basically, I'm gonna go through the first couple steps on the things you need to do to drive more traffic to your Instagram. So we're gonna go ahead and get right into it. So first things first is your bio. If you check out my bio, you see I have a headline. You have I'm a mentor. I give cash giveaways. I'm in the army. I'm a trader, and I'm a director for the Move Forward. It basically has all of my information there. It's basically like a business card. So you want to kind of mold your bio off of this so people can know what you're doing and know a little bit about you, know where you're located, and basically just get all the information they need to get about you on your bio. Make sure you have some type of MMO hashtag. Make sure you let people know that you're a business person, an entrepreneur, because this is what's going to attract a certain market to you so you can actually get sales or just get traffic in general and connect with people and network. I advise everybody to get a Linktree account. Linktree allows you to put multiple links. I'm actually going to go ahead and click it right now so you can see it. So Linktree is a free service where you can actually put multiple links on different things. So I want to send people to multiple different places, and I don't want to be limited to one link. So even when it comes to Forex, I have my Forex videos first. Let's go ahead and click that. And it takes me right into a Forex presentation or information on Forex. This is a great way to drive traffic. This is a great way to get sales. And this is a great way to get people information while you're not even on your computer. So I want to go back to my profile. So once again, make sure you have a good bio and make sure you have a Linktree link so you can link people to multiple sites. Another thing, you want to make sure you have a good icon picture. That should actually be the first step. Moved a little fast forward with the bio, but make sure you have a cool picture. Make sure it's clear. Make sure you can see your face. Make sure it's just high quality. I feel like I have a pretty decent picture up there. A lot of people like it. This is one of the more popular pictures I had, and you can see exactly who I am. I look happy, and this is the type of things that's going to magnify people to your page. So a great icon picture, a great bio. Make sure you have a proper link from Linktree so you can get people multiple links. Then we're going to go ahead and get into the highlights. In your highlights section, this is where you can actually pick different categories. So I have my testimonials. I got Forex stuff. I got my Karma Jar. That's a special thing that I was doing to give away money on social media. And I got my creative stuff. I have my photo shoots, my graphic design, a business category, and travel. You can set this up however you want to, but this is just to showcase your lifestyle and the different things that you want to showcase on your page. So let's just go to testimonials real quick and look through here. So these are all the testimonials that I've gotten from people over time, people that just said good things about me. And I decided to start screenshotting and documenting people. I've been getting great feedback from people for a long time when it comes to business, but I just recently started to document it. So even if I turn this up, you can listen to this. Well, I don't know if you guys can hear it, but she's basically giving me some edification, telling me some good things. And you see J-Mo's been a blessing. Let's see. Somebody from South Africa showing me some love. Thank you for everything you've done. So basically, it's just my testimonials. I just want to kind of showcase that a little bit. And even with Forex,
you can compound your account.
I got different videos,
business,
different testimonials, different people giving information. So people who come to your page can actually engage with you and your lifestyle. So that is a big benefit to have your testimonials up. And then you can organize it how you want to. Some people have pictures up on their testimonials. I chose to use just like my raw pictures and just make it like a kind of a black and white theme. You see I have like the little the black square in there just to make it look organized and neat. So make sure all of that is neat and organized as well. And now when it comes to your content, you want to make sure you try to have clean content. You want to try to organize it and lay it out the best way you can. The best pictures you can take, that is going to be your money maker. When you take high quality pictures, they tend to pop up more in the algorithms. People tend to like them more, and people seem to comment more. So I'm not big on pictures, but based for the business, I actually went out of my way to start taking more pictures, start to showcase myself and my life and my lifestyle a little bit more. So I feel like my pictures are pretty good, but I'm working on it. But at this last set of pictures, I feel like it's been my strongest set of pictures. So what I did was basically I took a bunch of pictures and I put it in a catalog, so where you can swipe over and you can actually see basically you can go on this archery adventure with me. And I just feel like this helps with engagements. It helps people get into your lifestyle and be more interested in you. You know what I'm saying? So I made sure I edited them where I have a high quality pictures, high resolution, and also put it in chronological order. The first picture is the picture that I felt like it was a strong picture. I felt like I'll get a lot of, attention from this. And then if you look over, it's just like, all right, I got to the range. I drew my arrows. All right, I'm looking around, looking cool, posing, looking like I'm having a good time, which I was, you know. Then I got to shooting, hit the target, went down there and took the bows out of the target or the arrows out of the target. And, walking back, looking cool, walking back again, looking cool. Like, this is the type of things that people like on social media. And I put it all in chronological order. I put my location up there. I also have a cool little caption. A part of my self-love journey is to go on some type of adventure. And I want to go make sure I do it once a week, so here's this week's adventure. And then I got a set of hashtags, and you can find a set of hashtags that work best for you. You can always go to popular hashtags on the internet and figure out what hashtags work. And then when it comes to the comments, I try to respond back to everybody as fast as possible. One secret that you must know when it comes to social media, the more traffic, the more comments, the more likes you get within like the first 5 to 10 minutes, it exposes your page to more people and it helps things go viral. So if people come in here and comment, make sure you comment back immediately. One strategy I like to use is just to start a conversation in your comments. That way you'll go back and forth with people and actually making comments and building up those numbers. And all these numbers count. 126 likes, that's okay. 27 comments, that's okay. I'm still looking to build it up, rebuild it. I had some different strategies that I used previously, but those strategies are outdated because the algorithms upgraded. So now my new strategy is to make sure I have a catalog of pictures so people can get engaged and kind of get into the whole picture. Make sure I have a cool caption. Make sure I have a solid set of hashtags, and make sure I respond back to everybody. And also make sure you have your location up there. Camp Hovey is where I'm located in the Army. So between all of those steps with the posts, that should give you a solid foundation on your social media. And if you can lay everything out and make it look nice and neat, the neater, the better, the cleaner, the better. And just showcase you, your life, your lifestyle, and the things that work for you. I feel like I have a pretty decent Instagram. I got a great concept of, how to market on Instagram. But like I said, the algorithms change. So the things that I used previously doesn't necessarily work now. So, I'm always studying up on the algorithms, but I feel like I have a solid hold on it. I want to get on an average at least 200 likes and maybe like 20 to 30 comments. If you can do that consistently, that's a great number. And even my followers, 13.6K, that's a good number, but I definitely want to get that up. And 1,500 profile views is okay, but I definitely want to get all of these numbers up. So I'm working and getting better every day, and I just want to give you guys these tips and tidbits on becoming a better social media marketing and building up your page. So if you like what you see, go ahead and drop a comment, like, subscribe, give me some feedback. Let me know what you think about my Instagram. Go check my Instagram out right now. If you're not on my team, just go ahead and follow, look through some pictures, share. If I brought you some value, drop a comment on one of my pictures and just tell me that I brought you some value. All feedback is appreciated. Make sure you subscribe for more updates, and I'll check with you guys later.